finally, I want to have a look at key audit matters and the emphasis of matter paragraph, because this is where kind of key audit matters has kind of overtaken the emphasis of matter a little bit now. So remember, only bad materials emphasise knowledge only. This would be the emphasis of matter paragraph, and this would be where the key audit matter paragraph normally comes in. Okay, now all the emphasis of matter paragraph does, it emphasises a note in the financial statements, and that note is something that is of fundamental importance to the user. Okay, but it just emphasises the note. Whereas what the key audit matter does, it doesn't duplicate that, it doesn't emphasise it. What it does is it gives a lot more information about this note. Okay, so therefore you can't have the same thing in both. All right, so coming down to here, look, number one, 3 points I want you to remember. An emphasis of matter is not a substitute for a key audit matter, because a key audit matter, you give more information, you say why it's significant, you say how you dealt with it. And if the key audit matter is fundamental to the user, which is what emphasis of matter is, then it should go above there. Okay, you wouldn't put it in both. If it's fundamental, you'd put it in the key audit matters and it would go above any emphasis of matter. And then the final one, if it's not something really significant to the audit, if it's not a CAM, but we still think it's fundamental though to the user's understanding, then that's when you'd have an emphasis of matter. When it's something that we don't think it's significant to the audit, but we do think it's fundamental to the users to at least understand it, to emphasise this note, but we didn't do that much work on it because it wasn't necessary, so it's not a key audit matter, but it is fundamental. That's when you get an emphasis of matter. But overall, a lot of emphasis of matter now stuff has just dropped into key audit matters where you give more information. Now, I know probably most of you are thinking, yeah, but can you give me some examples? Well, no, you can't, can you? Because remember, key audit matters, etc., they're all specific to the audit. You can't say this is always a key audit matter, this is always emphasis of matter. You can't say that because it's specific to the audit. So what I would say then is just remember that emphasis of matter just emphasises a note, something of fundamentally important to the user for them to understand it. A key audit matter goes into a bit more depth because it says, look, this was significant to the audit. An emphasis of matter might not have been significant to the audit.